Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you know, it's EpicTourzZ, where it's all about fun, food, travel, and being able to work remotely. So today we're going to use some of that candy cane that we have, the candy cane vodka, to make some spiked hot chocolate. So let me know if you guys are ready for that. Here it goes. Alright guys, so I'm going to put in 2 cups of milk. And then the thing is, you don't want it to be too hot, you just want it to be warm. So I'm not going to make it come to a boil. Alright. So 2 cups. So just waiting to get it nice and warm. Nothing else. Alright guys, so I'm going to start off with, I'm just going to use 2, you could use 3, but I'm going to use 2 teaspoons. Alright, well let's do 3, because this looks like a little bit. So I'm going to use 3 teaspoons of the cocoa powder, and I'm actually using the Grace one, so it's Grace Roma cocoa powder. Let me see it. Alright, then I'm gonna actually add just a pinch, literally a pinch of salt. Followed by, I'm also just going to add like a teaspoon of sugar, just a little bit. Just a teaspoon. Maybe 2. I usually like it sweet, honestly, so I'll use 2 tablespoons. Did I say 2 tablespoons? I think 2 teaspoons, sorry. Right, so it's 2 teaspoons. And then I have the milk here that is warm, so I'm just going to add it a little at a time and kind of mix it out a bit first. So let's just add a little bit. Kind of didn't want to nasty up the glass. Spark on. Let me add a little bit more. Alright guys, so I put it a little closer, so I just mixed it a bit. And then after mixing it for some time, just to get out all the cocoa, I'll add just a little bit of my peppermint vodka, just a bit. Unless you're like me, just a little bit. And it's a little bit fresh to me, so I'm gonna add a little bit more sugar. As I said, for everyone it might be a little bit different in terms of how much sugar you use. So I'm adding 2 more spoons of sugar. And let's mix it out a bit. There you have Monifa's homemade, well not really homemade, Monifa's hot cocoa. I wish I could have made this from scratch, but I didn't have the ingredients that I needed to do it from scratch, so we just have to work with what we have. So here it is. Oh my gosh, they taste so good with the vodka, like really nice. It tastes like mint. So good. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed that recipe. So sorry about the lighting and everything today. I was a little thrown off. I don't know why I've been having some difficulties uploading my videos to YouTube this week. But yeah, so you guys should see this soon. Take care.